Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, then hi, my name is Payal. And if you're an old subscriber, then thanks a lot for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to talk about my experience with the latest launch from the brand Garnier. And this one is Garnier Vitamin C Serum. Yes, you heard me right that Garnier has recently launched the Vitamin C Serum. Now the two major ingredients of this product is yuzu lemon and 30 times vitamin C. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I like to use this product, the steps which you have to follow, and why vitamin C serum is better than vitamin C gel and cream. And moreover I have a little surprise for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now let's just talk about the product packaging first. The product comes into a transparent glass bottle like this, as you guys can see, and with a dropper. Since it's a glass bottle, that means it's environmental friendly, and apart from that, it gives you more luxurious feeling. Now talking about the dropper, I love the concept of dropper because you have a control of the product, how much you need. Like you need 3 to 4 drops or 8 to 10 drops, you can control over it. And moreover it adds convenience, which is yay for me. And the most important thing is hygiene, like yay for me. So yeah, price of this product is 449 rupees for 30 ml. Now let's just talk about what exactly are the benefits of vitamin C serum. Firstly, I would like to say that I'll be referring to my notes because I want this video to be very informative yet very precise. And before talking about the benefits, we need to understand what exactly vitamin C is. Now vitamin C is ascorbic acid, which is necessary for the growth, development and repair of all body tissue. And vitamin C actually holds certain properties which helps in skin repair. The very first property is antioxidant. So what basically this does is it reduces the effect of free radical that is coming from UV rays, pollution, smoking and even stress, which basically damages our skin. So it reduces the effect of those free radicals. Secondly, it's anti-aging. It's hold the property of anti-aging, which basically means that it boosts the collagen, which basically results in tightening your skin, your wrinkles get reduced and your skin looks very healthy, like very young. The third property of vitamin C is that it reduces pigmentation. Since it reduces the production of a melanin, which is basically responsible for spots and a bit pigmented skin, it reduces the production of it. So basically your skin looks very healthy and it reduces acne scars, pigmentation and so on. Now one of the very important thing while using a vitamin C serum is that once you're done with the application in the morning, you need to use a sunscreen. So this helps like when your skin is getting repaired because of the usage of vitamin C. At the same time, you're protecting it from UV rays. So while using a vitamin C serum, I would always request you guys to please use a sunscreen as well. Now let's just talk about what is the benefit of using Garnier Vitamin C serum over a gel or a cream. The very first thing is that, since it is a serum, that means the molecules are so tiny, just like a water, that it deeply penetrates into your skin and repairs it. And since it carries 30 times vitamin C, that means the result will be seen within 3 days. That is what brand is claiming and that is what I have seen. Now we'll talk about what product claims and what was my experience with this product. Now brand states that with the regular use of this product twice in a day, you will actually see a difference in 3 days. And trust me guys, I have seen this. The reason is that I was bursting into acne over here and here, and it left it like, I don't know what was the reason, could be stress or something. And it actually left pigmentation, acne scars ka mark. And I was really worried. And I started using this product and I actually see a difference onto my skin, especially onto my pigmentation. It has lightened. I won't say that it has gone completely, not yet. I have used this product for 7 to 10 days and I've actually seen that it has actually lightened it. I'm still waiting for the day that it will be gone. So yeah. Now how exactly you can use this product? Clean your face. I opt for Garnier micellar water. The reason is that I like to use makeup every day. Now the second thing is that you have to take 3 to 4 drops as per your need. I like to take 3 to 4 drops. I rub, like I basically spread the whole product onto my palm and then gently dab it onto my skin. While doing that, please don't forget your neck area because this area also needs that moisture, that glow, that lift, so you have to apply it onto your neck as well. And the moment you will just dab it onto your skin, you will actually see that your skin is glowing instantly, and within the time you will see that whatever pigmentation mark you have, whether it's due to the sun or it's because of your acne, it will eventually fade away. So that's the very easiest step to use it. Now I would say that you should use this product in the morning as well as in the night to see a drastic change. So morning में भी लगाइए, evening में भी लगाइए. Morning में while using it, I would always request you guys to use a sunscreen along with this. So yeah, that's how you have to use this product, and that was a short review. Now coming towards the surprise element of this video, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving 1 bottle of Garnier Vitamin C serum to you guys. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and let me know why do you need this bottle in your life, and I'll be sharing a link of an Instagram post in my description box. Click, like the post and tag 3 friends. That's it. This giveaway will be open for 10 days, and in case you're not following me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, do follow me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and while hitting that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified whenever I'll upload a video. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty, stay glowing.